Today I came with another Avurudu recipe, green gram milk rice. Normal milk rice plus one more step, then it's green gram milk rice. When making this milk rice, we need to soak green gram in the previous day night, at least 12 hours. Then they become tender and easily cook with rice. Then in the next day, we should wash these green gram very well before cooking. Now put rice and green gram to your cooking pan. Add water to the level that all rice is covered and cook this like we normally cook rice. Until rice is cooked, we can mix salt with coconut milk. When we do so, it spreads salt every part of the milk rice evenly. When rice is cooked enough, add coconut milk. Now we need to stir this continuously until we get this out of fire. Rice absorbed all coconut milk, and when it starts sticking together, switch off the flame. Here we need to check whether green gram is cooked enough too. Thereafter, transfer milk rice into a tray and make it flat. Let this cool down a bit and cut into pieces. This green gram milk rice is very tasty. For a change, try this recipe for this Avurudu. Next day, our Avurudu recipe is coconut toffee. See you soon with that video too. Subscribe my channel and ring the bell.